In this video, I'm going to show you how to select entire rows and columns here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to quickly select all of your data, and by all, I mean your entire column or your entire rows, here's how you're going to do it. So first things first, what you need to understand when selecting your columns or your rows is to identify where your columns are or where your rows are. So your columns are represented with the letters at the top right here. So the ones that you see here, A, B, C, those are your columns. And for your rows, these are represented on the left side with numbers. So 1 to 1000, those are your rows. So for our columns, we have A to Z. And if we wanted to select, let's say again, my attendance column right here, all I have to do would be to click on this one right at the top, which is my column E, and there you have it. For reference, if we go to our name box right here, it will show you E to E. So that's from the beginning of column E to the end of column E. And there you have it. That's my entire column. If I wanted to select that, again, I just have to click at the top. If I wanted to select the entire column C right here, all I have to do is to click on the top where that letter C is located. And that's for your columns. So if we wanted to select an entire row, we will go to the left side right here. So if I wanted to select the entire row 1, I will just click on the first row and there you have it. If I wanted to select multiple rows, what I can do is to go to the side again, to the left side where those numbers are, just click on it, drag it down until what row I want to select, release, and there you have it. You've selected the entire rows 1 to 15. If I wanted to do the same thing with our columns, again, just click at the top, drag it to the right, and now you've selected the entire data set. So that's how easy you can select your entire rows and columns. Again, just to remind you, your columns are represented by letters at the top, and your rows are represented by numbers on the left side. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.